friends, thanks for joining me today for our Vegetable Kingdom series. Today we will be making a bird of paradise from a pineapple. And you want to take your pineapple and kind of cut it in half, but not exactly half, because you want to leave the fronds in place, because this is going to be the tail of our bird. So it's more like in 1/3 and 2/3 or so. But anyways, you're going to take your knife, and I usually just start below the, right above the leaves right here, and I'll slice all the way to the bottom. Like so. And now you want to remove the core, and we're going to use the core to create the head of the bird. So I will use my flexible knife, if you've seen any of my garnishing videos so far. And my bird, I'm going to have kind of like the neck here, and a little bit of a beak and the head, and then kind of taper it down almost like it is. So let's see here. Closer. All right. Okay, so something like this. I would have liked a little bit bigger of a beak, but I kind of carved it a bit wrong. But so I've got my beak here. I kind of went up to make a little bit of a head, and then the heads are out, and I carved in right behind the head a little to give it a little bit of a neck. And then underneath as well, I carved in like so. So it's not perfect, but I mean, we're working with fruit. So, and you can play around. You may have a better eye and hand for it than I do. But this is kind of what I got. And we're gonna take 2 cloves and we're just gonna stick them in here to be some eyes. So that'll help it to look a little bit more like a bird. And put one on the other side as well. Okay, so my pineapple core has some eyes. And then we're just going to take a toothpick and stick it in the core and then stick it in the pineapple like so. And it kind of gives us what looks like a bird. And if you would like, you can cut a little bit of skin off of the pineapple. Doesn't have to be much, and you can give the bird a collar if you would like. You want to get rid of any of the pineapple flesh so that it will bend and form easily around the neck of the bird. You could do something like this. And you would also use a toothpick to attach that, which I forgot to grab another one, so I can't attach it for you right now. But this is how your bird looks. And now you can carve out the pineapple fruit, and you could fill the cavity with a fruit salad if you were having a gathering and you wanted to have a fruit platter. It's a great place to maybe stick the dip on your fruit platter. I have even put like chicken salad inside and had rolls around on the platter for like a baby shower. And yeah, just some great ways to dress up any little gathering. And it's pretty simple, takes just a few minutes. So thanks for stopping in and joining me today to make our pineapple bird. And I'll catch you next time in another Vegetable Kingdom episode. Have a great day.